It's close. Close isn't good enough. Okay, if close is just good enough in your words, all right. If close is just good enough for you, hear me out. Hear me out. If close is just good enough. All right, since close is good enough, is it good enough when you're just close to coming and you just stop there? No, that's not good enough. You have to finish. You have to finish because edging and stopping isn't worth it. Close enough is never good enough. It has to be finished. It has to be done. There's no such thing as close enough. You can't get, oh, close enough to coming and then stop. No, you have to finish. I'm gonna dog shit the game.